be loading the end dump with that material. And the skid steer is over there. So I'll go ahead and do that. I'm gonna use my head mount. got the truck loaded already. Look, this guy parks here in my yard. I put this on his truck and he hasn't taken it off. So I kind of smoothed it out. I don't know if y'all saw it, but I think I hit the tank right here. Yeah, I hit it right here, but nothing happened to it. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna tarp the trailer. My dad bought a welding machine today. So I'm gonna show y'all the welding machine he bought, because we have a lot of welding to do on the trailers and stuff, and we could just do it ourselves. A lot of people say that we need an electric tarp so we don't have to get on the trailer and stuff, but to be honest, I don't mind getting on and tarping. I actually like it because it gets me off the freaking seat. It gets so boring sometimes. So whenever there's big rocks, I just put them back here like this, and that way the tarp is not flying around. And when it's finer material, I just bring a shovel with me and I just shovel material right here. That's enough. The tarp won't go nowhere with these rocks. And there's a lot of rocks. Yeah, that should be good. And then I just get off through here. And my dad's truck's over there, the red T800. I'm gonna show you the welding machine my dad bought today. He bought a Lincoln, and my brother-in-law is here right now just welding some stuff, practicing, but we're just gonna call him to come and weld stuff for us whenever we need it. What? What the fuck is that, bro? Damn. I just ordered tacos from across the street, but let me show you what we did to the property over here last week. We had a guy come out here and build this, weld this. So we just used some pipes, and that way nobody comes inside the property. And let me show y'all. If y'all saw that video when I was moving the small 20-foot container office, well, there it is. We already raised it up about 2 or 3 feet, 2 feet. And here's the concrete blocks that I brought from the other yard also. So I'll be putting material here. I'm gonna make 3 different sections. But here's the container office. It has AC and everything. And we buried some pipes 4 feet down to the ground and set the container on top and just welded it around. So it's sitting on 6 pipes. But that's the progress we've done on the yard. So now we have our office and the material. We can separate it nicely now so it doesn't get mixed together. And here's what I brought between yesterday and today: 4 loads. 2 of the ones that have a lot of rock, and 2 of the finer material. So here's the tacos I ordered. This guy gets down. I mean, he has the best tacos out here, hands down. Look at that, the grilled onions. I got 2 fajita and 2 tripa. And the tripa is crunchy like always. I like it when it's like that. The tacos. Sauce. That's also how I eat the onions sometimes. I put some onions on the taco and I just eat it like this too. Pretty good stuff. Just use a little more salt. That's it for this video.